since I've posted a beauty related video on my channel, and today I've partnered up with Cetaphil to bring you my latest go-to makeup look. It is a flirty and a demure look which is perfect for Valentine's Day. Before beating my face with makeup, I always make sure that my skin is well taken care of. Having a clean canvas is very important because healthy skin leads to beautiful skin even without makeup. Always remember to remove your makeup completely and make sure you're using products that are suitable for your skin. Personally, I use the Gentle Skin Cleanser from Cetaphil day and night before and after removing my makeup because it is very gentle on the skin. Okay, so there are two ways of using this cleanser, with and without water. So besides the normal rinsing off routine, you can also apply it on your face, massage the product in, and just tissue off. It is soap-free, fragrance-free, and it doesn't dry out or irritate my skin. And although I don't have sensitive skin, this product still works for me because it is suitable for all skin types. So if you have normal skin like me, sensitive, or even oily skin, everybody can use it. Plus, it is highly recommended by dermatologists, and I read 99% users of the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser agree that it gently cleanses and moisturizes without stripping their skin's natural oils. So I've been using so many types of cleansers for so many years, and some actually give you that tight feeling after you use it, which is not advisable because your skin needs natural oils to actually maintain the moisture. After cleansing, make sure you always moisturize, and don't forget to also use a sunscreen, especially when the sun is blazing here in Malaysia. And without further ado, let's move on to the makeup. And I've already listed all of the products that I used in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I really would love to read them, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, sayangs!